We're down here on Riverside Drive and Lake Drive where significant flooding occurred after Hurricane Helene impacted the area. The Catawba River, which is sort of behind us right now, flooded out more than 70 homes in this area. And the LUISA team, the Land Use and Environmental Services Agency, from code enforcement to GIS to solid waste, stormwater, we're down here helping clean up the area. Our team is collecting, sorting through, hauling off to the landfill, and getting rid of those things that were impacted by the flood. The county is here as a resource for the residents that are down here. A lot of homes in this community were affected, and it's our job to help clean things up.
It's a lot of work, but everybody's been great. Mecklenburg County has had trucks out here. Dump trucks have been down here. Them guys have been using the excavators to put that stuff in those dump trucks. It's been great. It's just coming together. All right. With all the resources we have, and make the best of it. It's a disaster, and we're trying to get through it. We're gonna make it through it.